Okay, we're going up on B barn. Barn B. This is the best example ever of the underlayment lap. See that lap? It's supposed to be 10 inches. I'm gonna get tired of hearing me say that. No doubt. And this roof has seen better days. Rain gutters are not supposed to discharge water directly onto our roof. I'm gonna say this roof is over 14 years old. I don't know if barn insurance is different than residential. Got some exposed nail heads. Obviously there's been some repairs going on here. Some of these other nail heads are older than others. That. Shingle's been laying up here a while. All this siding is in direct contact with the roof covering. That's all a violation. Corrugated metal roof. That's the roof for the feed barn and the mechanical garage. That's those roofs. Coming along, some of these shingles that they use. Should have used metal flashing to make the transition between the roof coverings. They should have done that, but they didn't. Wood to ground, wood to ground, wood rot. Oh, why not? Is that hail damage? Look at all these exposed nail heads. That's just incredible. There we are. Are you focusing? Sometimes I can force it to focus. These plastic louvers are broken up here. All these exposed nail heads, this is incredible. It's pretty interesting. A lot of cracks on the ridge rows here. That's my cart. Her name's Bonnie. Named her after my favorite cat. Bonnie used to help me write these reports. Got modified roll over here. All the seams are all messed up. I could talk about the sealant, but I don't think that's necessary. Look at all those exposed nails. Rain gutter on top, wood to ground. This is around the barn. Both barns. A and B, but you can just tell the shape of the OSB underneath there. It's just been leaking. You might not have seen every leak, but it has been leaking. This is for the office, the barn office. PVC plumbing vent stack. And that should have been painted to protect it from the sun's UV rays. It's probably the least of your concerns right now. Exposed nail heads. What is this? Is that some pretty good hail damage? Impact damage of some sort. What is that? Loose shingles. This should have been, by the way, there should have been apron flashing under these walls. I'm getting ahead of myself. All these walls should have had apron flashing installed up beneath them. Just like you should have had metal flashing for those transitions, you should have had apron flashing up here. Coming along, this is the south side. You expect that to be the worst. Gaps again. There's another tack closet. We're still on barn A. We came up on barn B. Again, no apron flashing. I like the stenciling. Again, no apron flashing, no apron flashing. We got some wood damage. This is the north side of barn A. Right in there. We got a lot of algae. You're going to see that on the north side. Coming up here. This is the layout. There's the main house. There's the feed stall, the gazebo, stalls B, stalls A, barn B.